A very warm welcome to science class, dear students. Before we start off, I would give you certain instructions. That is, you need to keep a book with you to take down some of the points when I'm explaining here. Okay? Today, we start off with the chapter 2, that is soil erosion and conservation. Children, you all have seen a garden. Have you ever noticed what is covered with? Yes, you are right. It is covered with soil. In this chapter, let us learn about importance of soil, soil erosion and its agent, and soil conservation. Children, we are aware of the ways in which human beings have caused damage to earth, right? Now, we can no longer ignore our planet. We have to take the necessary steps before it is too late. Let us know a little more about soil, the topmost layer of the earth, and how it is getting damaged. Soil. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth. It was formed due to breaking up of rocks into very tiny pieces due to the action of heat, rain and wind. And this process took millions of years, which is also called as weathering of rocks. Soil is very important, right? You know why soil is important? I think you have guessed the answer. Yeah, soil is important for various reasons, like soil is a home to small animals like ants, moles, rats, earthworm and rabbits. Minerals and ores are obtained from rocks which lie under the soil. Plants grow in soil. Soil supports and holds the plants. Not only that, soil also contains the essential nutrients that plants need for their growth. Children, soil erosion is one of the major environmental problems in today's world. Come, let us know the factors of soil erosion. The natural removal of soil by the action of water, wind, rain and human activities is called as soil erosion. Look at the images, children. The most common factor are water and wind movements for soil erosion. Water flowing through ground carries away soil with it. During rain, the soil particles are detached by raindrops. These soil particles are carried away by running water. Floods are also the main cause behind the soil erosion. The other responsible factor for soil erosion is the wind, as we discussed before. Wind picks up the soil particles and takes it to the other location. The soil erosion is itself a natural occurring process, but in many cases it is increased by human activities. Some of this includes deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of trees, overgrazing by animals, excess amount of farming practices, overusing of chemical fertilizers, housing, construction and mining are the some of the causes of soil erosion which is increased by the human activities. Soil conservation. We must take care of the environment so that the natural resources can be properly used. So children, say what is conservation? Yes, conservation is nothing but it refers to the steps taken to protect our natural environment. We must take the following steps to conserve soil. What are that? That is afforestation, terrace farming, embankments, fences or bunds. Come children, let's learn this in detail. Afforestation. Soil can be conserved by planting trees and plants in large numbers. This is known as afforestation. Roots of plants hold the soil together and thus the soil does not get eroded. Terrace farming. On hill slopes, land is cut into a series of successive platforms or steps for growing crops. The steps slow down the flow of water. As the water flows down, some soil from one step is left on the next step. This way, soil is never completely lost. Embankments. Floods should be controlled so that the excess water does not cause much loss of soil. Building embankments along river banks can reduce the damage caused by floods and prevent flooding of fields. Fences. In plains, farmers build fences around the fields. This prevents rainwater from washing away the topsoil. The cover of plants and trees around the fields also break the speed of strong winds and protects the soil from being blown away. Remember children, soil is a precious natural resource and it is our duty to conserve it for keeping the environment healthy, isn't it? Here is a small recapitulation about the chapter. Soil is the uppermost layer of the earth in which plants grow. Soil is formed by weathering of rocks due to wind, water, heat and other agents. Soil erosion can occur by wind, water and human activities like deforestation. Soil conservation is the protection of soil against erosion. Some methods of soil conservation are afforestation, terrace farming, embankments, etc. Hope you enjoyed the lesson children. Read the textbook and just go through the slides once. Try to listen to the recording again. And activity will be conducted based on this chapter in the next session. Okay children, let us meet in the next session. Till that, stay